Hey, this is Murray Motor 15. I'm going to show you my Kawasaki dirt bike. It's a 80cc. It's a 5-speed. Show you out here. Right there, 5-speed. I changed out the spark plug. Put a new one in it. There's the old one right there. I drained out the carburetor, put some new gas in it, some oil. Yeah, and I'm gonna let you listen to the motor. I'm gonna start it up. Sounds good, runs good, it's awesome. Like I said, it runs really good. It handles really good. It's just awesome. Really, really awesome.